So this is going to be my base for this pattern. So right now I'm going to start. I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I insert in the second loop right here with triple crochet. I proceed into the next loop, triple crochet. Can you see? Next. So this one I'm doing right now is serving as my border, the border line. This is the border for this pattern. So right now I'm going to proceed. I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Haven't chained 3, I yarn over the hook. I'm going to count 3, 1, 2, 3 at the base with triple crochet. Can you see? So I chain 2, 1, 2. So I insert in this same loop with triple crochet. Can you see? So right now I proceed. I chain another 3, 1, 2, 3. So I count 3 at the base, 1, 2, 3. So here I will be making triple crochet. Next loop, triple crochet. Next, triple crochet. So I have 3 triple crochet right here as a demarcation. So I proceed. I chain another 3, 1, 2, 3. I yarn over my hook and I count 1, 2, 3 at the base, triple crochet. I chain 2, 1, 2. So I insert in this same loop, triple crochet. Can you see where I have my triangular shape? Then I proceed 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 at the base. Triple crochet. Next, triple crochet. So can you see? So this is how I'm going to proceed on this roll till I round it up. So I have a triangular shape, then 3 triple crochets at a demarcation, triangular shape like that till I complete this round. Can you see? I've completed the round. So right now I'm going to proceed. I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I insert in the second loop with triple crochet. Next, triple crochet. Next, triple crochet. Remember I told you that this is the border. So right now I proceed again. I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. I yarn over. Now I'm going to insert right in this triangular loop, as you can see. So here I'm going to make 3 triple crochet, and this is 1 triple crochet, 2. Can you see? 3. So right now I proceed again. I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I insert right here to mount on this one I have at the base, 1. Then I proceed into the next loop. I hope you can see what I'm doing right here. Then the third one, triple crochet. Can you see? So I proceed. I chain another 3, 1, 2, 3. I insert here in this triangular loop, triple crochet, another one, triple crochet, still in this same loop. So can you see I have 3 in this loop. I proceed again. I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. I yarn over, I insert right here, triple crochet. Can you see? I proceed, triple crochet, sorry, in this loop, triple crochet. Can you see? So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round it up on this row. Now as you can see, I've completed the round. Can you see? So right now I proceed again. I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I insert in the second loop, triple crochet. Next, triple crochet. So I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So now you see I have 3 triple crochet in this triangular loop. Can you see? I have 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to insert into the second loop, so I count 1, 2. So which means I'm inserting in the mid loop in between the 3 crochet. So I'm going to chain 2 right now. 1, 2. So I insert still in this same loop. Can you see? So I proceed, I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I insert here a triple crochet, triple crochet. Next, you see. So I chain 3, 1, 2, 2, 3. So 1, 2. I insert in the mid loop right here, triple crochet, 1, 2. In the same loop, you see, 1, 2, 3. So I insert here, triple crochet, next loop, triple crochet, one, two, three, 1, 2, 1, 2, still in this loop, 1, 2, 3, triple crochet. Can you see? So it is like this I proceed to continue this round. Now as you can see, I've completed the round. Can you see? So right now what I shall be doing now is a repeated process. What I have here on this second row is what I shall be applying on this new row. So we proceed. I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I insert in the second loop, triple crochet, next triple crochet, next triple crochet. So I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I insert in this loop, triple crochet, another one, triple crochet, another triple crochet. You see? So I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I insert here, triple crochet, next next So as you can see, you will see that it's a repetition of what I have on the second loop that I have on the fourth loop. So with an interval of this triangular loop in between. So I proceed 1, 2, 3. So triple crochet, one, two, three. Triple crochet. So as you can see, it becomes a repeated process till everything is completed. Can you see? So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round up this row. Can you see? So it's going to be repeated like that. So simple to make. Now as you can see, I've completed the last round, which marks the end of this tutorial. As you can see, the pattern from this side becomes a repeated pattern till I finish the the crochet. So I've come to the end of this tutorial. As you can see, very simple, or I mean very easy to make, and beautiful. So I want to appreciate you all for taking your time to watch this video. Thank you very much. Thank you for always being there. For those of you watching this tutorial or watching my video for the very first time, I welcome you to this channel. All you need to do is to click on the subscribe button below, and you hit on the notification bell so that you can have access to my videos. Thank you very much. Till I come your way again. Bye for now.